In this video, we are going to learn how we can discover hosts on the network. Host discovery is always the first step during any CDFs or pen testing exams. It involves invasion of IP addresses of the systems available in the testing environment. So the first tool is NetDiscover. NetDiscover can be used to inspect your network ARP traffic or find network addresses using auto-scan mode, which will scan for common local networks. Although not covered in CES practical, it's the most essential tool to date with any pen testing exam. You can use NetDiscover to scan for live hosts on the network with a given command. Just use the command netdiscover-ie and specify your interface. So a target metasploitable is an IP address of 192.168.18.110. So back on our Kali Linux, my IP address is 121 and my interface is 80. We use the command netdiscover-i80 and we need the route. Repeat the command. And you can see that NetDiscover is trying to scan for the live hosts. And it has identified a few hosts from the network, including our target metasploitable. The second tool is Nmap. Nmap is a free and open source network scanner. It can be used to discover hosts and services on a computer network by sending packets and analyzing the responses. Nmap provides different scanning options to search for live hosts. We can use PingScan to discover live hosts on the network. Just use the flag -send with Nmap and provide the IP range. ArcScan is another method to scan for live hosts on the network. Just use the flag -sn and -pr and provide the IP range. Nmap also has a vast variety of scans available, and some of the useful scans for host discovery are also listed in the presentation. You can download the presentation from the Resources tab. To back on Kali machine, use the command sudo nmap-sn and the IP range. And Nmap has discovered live hosts on the network. Now let's just scan the IP range with ArcScan. Add the flag -pr. And Nmap has discovered the live host, including our target. The third tool is Angry IP Scanner, which is open source and cross-platform network scanner designed to be fast and simple to use. You can download and install the tool on Windows from their official website. Open Preferences and ensure the pinging method is set to UDP plus TCP. And in the Display tab, change to display only live hosts. Now provide the IP range and scan for targets. Next is demonstration. To search for Angry IP Scanner, open the official website. Click on Free Download and download the Windows installer. And once it is downloaded, run the installer and install it. Now open it. Provide the IP range. Go to Tools, Preferences. Set the pinging method to TCP plus UDP. Go into the Display tab Let's select the option to display only live hosts. Now scan it. So we can see that there is no machines live on a target IP. Now change the IP range to the actual subnet IP. Now start the scan. When you can see that the angry IP scanner has discovered the live host on our network, including the Metascortable machine.